Hey everyone, and welcome to day 43 of our Command 66 Day Challenge. Today I wanted to show you guys a new feature that is in Lead Accelerator that allows you to target your database with social ads. So let's click on Lead Accelerator. And if you guys haven't been in here since we previously did these parts of the challenge, then you'll notice that got a little bit of an update, and I think it just looks a little bit cleaner. And we're going to click Create New, and we will choose Social Ad for this. And right now I believe this feature just works with Facebook ads, so let's choose that as our test one, and I'm just going to name the campaign Test right now. So we have done some videos about this previously in our command challenge that focus on how to create these ads. So if you want to refer back to that with any questions regarding it, because I'm just going to kind of click through this right now to configure the campaign, as I just want to get to where that new feature is to kind of tell you about it. So I'm going to click Configure Campaign here at the bottom. And if you scroll down, again, I'm not going to fill in this information right now because we do have that video about it. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom where you see this advanced targeting. So previously we talked about a custom audience, but now I'm going to do target my database. So I'm going to uncheck custom audience now because I want to focus on just targeting my database. So how this could be beneficial would be maybe for an open house, for a new listing, targeting people from a past client event. So what you'll do is you'll click on Create New Audience, and you will name your audience. So I'm just going to say Command Challenge Test, and then you're actually going to just choose what tags you want to include in that. So if you've got those tags attached to people, then you can select a couple of them and create a list with them. So I'm just going to select a couple different tags and then create. So it's going to create my audience name here. So this would really be very similar to sending out an email campaign to your database, but maybe you send an email campaign targeting those people, but you also create a quick Facebook ad targeting them as well. So it's just going to use that information that you have, so they're, the names or email addresses, and kind of match those up with their accounts to kind of target them that way. So then you would just, from this drop down menu, select your audience. Now what I noticed when I was beginning to film this is that the audiences that I have in here are too small, so I'm not, like when I click it, it gives me this error. So I'm going to try to find out exactly how many would be kind of the minimum that you have to have, but when you have a large enough audience, you will have this little green, just how, if you notice when I hover over this little eye, it says audience is ready to use if it's got a green dot beside it, and audience is not ready to use if it has a red dot beside it. And then you would be able to save that campaign and activate it. So that is all for day 43 of our command challenge. Thanks for watching.